Welcome everybody to a special Saturday edition of Coffee with Conti. And yes, the Corvette Christmas tree is up. In fact, I've got a special Christmas Coffee with Conti coming for you guys next weekend. Auction update on the two auctions we have going on right now to raise money for the victims of the Bowling Green tornado. That in just a moment. How about some market news? How about some good news? We know that there was over 100 Corvettes destroyed. They're going to be replaced by Chevrolet, but check this out. Bowling Green Assembly, even after the fire, they're going back to work on Monday the 20th, making Corvettes once again. Oh, that is fantastic news. Way to go, guys, because we know that Corvette is really the core and the heart and soul of that community down there in Kentucky. Man, that was great to hear. Okay, some market news. A couple of people reached out to me and they said, hey, Rick, you've not been talking about that E-Ray on your channel. I said, what E-Ray? These pictures were on my buddy's site the other day and many other sites. Even Corvette Blogger agreed with what I was thinking. What we're looking at here is not the E-Ray. Some people are so desperate for Corvette news, they're making it up. Come on, guys, slow down and take a look at what we're looking at here. We're excited when we see a Corvette out there with a manufacturer's plate. You can see there was a little bit of camo still left on this car, so we're assuming that this is one of the early prototypes for Z06. And yeah, I know it has the side exhaust, but if you look at those posts, you can see that that looks like where the high wing would mount if it was a Z07 package. I know on the side cove, there's no Z06 emblem. Again, this is probably an early prototype, so in my heart, I feel like, just what Corvette Blogger said, we don't think this is the E-Ray that we're looking at. And let's face it, guys, when it comes to future product, GM's not going to showcase that without camo on it. They're going to milk it even better than your boy Ricky does here on the channel. So I don't think that is the E-Ray. And when it comes to the future of the C8 generation, who knows what versions are still yet to come. Is that still on track as they originally intended? Is there an E-Ray? Is there a Grand Sport? Is there a ZR1? Is there a Zora? And how long is the C8 generation going to last? A lot of questions right there, but good questions because of all the start again, stop again supply issues. Who knows what their intentions are? We know that they wanted to do all of this. They may be limited to only do this, and then we jump right into the C9. So that'll be certainly future discussion in regards to Corvette Marketplace coming up. More importantly right now, two auctions that we're running to raise a little bit of money to help out any way we can the tornado victims of Bowling Green, Kentucky. Thank you so much for your response and your participation. It started the other day with this right here, a beautiful front splitter donated from American Hydrocarbon. Look at this beautifully contoured one-piece front splitter in carbon flash. It's got Stingray on there, and it will look outstanding on your C8 Corvette. To bid on that auction, I got a couple of things to add here in a second. To bid on that auction, there's a link down below in the description of today's video. And to add to that auction, I've got a factory engine cover and fender hash marks for a C8 Corvette that were donated from Bob here in Ohio. Thank you, Bob. So that'll go in that auction. And Ed drove 2 hours yesterday to bring us this. It's in a large. This is beautiful, man. Really soft leather jacket. Can you guys see that C8 emblem embossed there? And when you open this up, I don't know if you guys can see it here on camera, but yeah, in the silk lining, a bunch of C8 logos on this beautiful jacket. Oh man, this is hot, man. This is really, really hot. So yes, on that auction for the front splitter, the engine cover, the fender hash marks, and that jacket, make your bids down below. We'll take those bids through Christmas weekend, and I'll announce on my social media platform the winners, and then we're going to get the money together and we're going to make this big foam check, and we're going to go down there with a presentation to the folks in Bowling Green to help any way that we can. And then we have another auction. That video link is down below in the description. Check out these wheels. These wheels donated from Michael and Christy in Florida. These are top-notch wheels, guys. These are BC forged wheels for a C8 Corvette, and they will look outstanding. They will look remarkable on your Corvette. Wow. And I got to thank Paul from Walled Lake, Michigan. He came down yesterday, brought the tires. I've got the sensors ordered, so I'm going to mount the tires for you guys, get the sensors in there, so they're ready to go. You just simply put on your C8 Corvette and you're ready to roll. So again, a link down below in today's video for the wheel auction. for the splitter auction. Go to those particular videos and bid on those videos and those comment sections. That's what I'm monitoring for the top winning bid. And together we're having a lot of fun. You're gonna get some cool stuff for your car, and you're doing some good at the same time. So thank you again for everyone reaching out, trying to help and participate in these auctions any way we can. It just makes me feel really, really good. You guys are amazing. You guys really are amazing. You know, that's Corvette people. Just really good-hearted people. Makes me proud to represent this car. It really does. Thanks for joining us today, this Saturday, Coffee with Conti. Next Saturday is Christmas. So we're gonna do a special Christmas tree presentation. I'm going to show you some of the new ornaments that I got, some of the special older ornaments. Maybe that's kind of what you do at Christmas when you're putting the tree up and you kind of reminisce about this and this and this. And I have some stuff on here that is irreplaceable and is extremely special to me that I can't wait to share with you guys next Saturday for our Christmas Coffee with Conti. In addition to that, I'm going to share some Christmas Corvette pictures, kind of a ride segment for you guys. So if you have a picture of your Corvette that is in a Christmas setting, maybe in a Christmas parade, something of that nature, text it or email it to me. And if you want, put your first name and what state you're from. Get those out there. There's a ton of them already. That'll be something fun for us to enjoy, something for the kids and the grandkids to enjoy next Saturday right here on this channel. And then 2 weeks from tomorrow, it's going to be our 2021 year in review. And what, wow, what a year that it's been. We're actually going to cap it off tomorrow. The most fun and amazing year in my car career with a small movie presentation for you tomorrow. When I put that jacket on, yeah, I will be Evel Knievel just for a moment, just for you guys, performing a stunt to entertain everyone and thank everyone for their incredible support. It's a show that I just know that you're going to enjoy watching. So join us tomorrow night for a special evening edition of Coffee with Conti. And to get you ready for it, one more little teaser. It's an actual Evel Knievel toy I used to have when I was a kid. I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Thanks for watching. Doesn't it feel like Christmas every time you get a C8R and you got all these boxes to open to get the car ready?
Well, I don't necessarily know if it's Christmas. It's not my present. It's someone's present. Maybe an elf. I might be an elf.
Elf. These are our last 3 C8Rs. We'll let you know what number they are, where they're going, and then we'll do a whole video on the C8Rs and how many your boy Ricky got.